Hi friends, let me show you these OTC hearing aids. I just received this new set. You get the user manual, of course. You get this that is going to be the charging cable, extra earbuds, a cleaning accessory, and this must be like the charging terminals to change them in each hearing aid. This is the volume control. It loops in 5 volume levels, okay? And you have 3 different using modes: the general mode, noisy mode, or tinnitus masking mode. And you change each of them, pressing 3 seconds the same volume switch. Okay, great. Okay, you hear a lot. So if you need any kind of help with your hearing, these kind of hearing aids are nice. They are really practical with this charging case. And you can replace these domes whenever you want. You even get 10 new dust screens to change them. You get out the silicone dome here, and this is the screen. You should clean them frequently, but you can change them whenever you need it. And you get 10 of them. Here are the instructions on how to change them, so it's an easy task, but you get 10 new of them. Okay, so, well, this is it.